If you're encountering a vault error in RoboForm Enterprise 2026, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart RoboForm. Close the RoboForm application completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches causing the error. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to vault access issues. Try reconnecting to your network or switching to a different one. Step 3. Update RoboForm. Make sure you are using the latest version of RoboForm. Check for updates within the application and install any available updates to ensure compatibility and bug fixes. Step 4. Resync your vault. Go to the settings in RoboForm and look for the option to sync your vault. This can help refresh your data and resolve any discrepancies that may be causing the error. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to RoboForm's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error for more targeted help. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the vault error in RoboForm Enterprise 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance.